And the four African species are the long-tailed pangolin, the tree pangolin, the giant ground pangolin, and the Temminck's ground pangolin. This map shows the habitats of pangolins worldwide. Poaching furs trade to supply consumers locally and internationally with scales and meat is the primary threat to the survival of all pangolins. Scales are used in medicines to treat arrangements from asthma to rheumatism to arthritis. For this reason, pangolins are in high demand for their meat and scales in places like China and Vietnam. Their meat is consumed across Africa and Asia and is treated as a high-status delicacy food or as a subsistence. Around 300 pangolins are poached every day, which is a lot, and that makes them the most illegally trafficked and traded and poached mammals in the whole world.